We love animals, we live with animals, we share our world with animals, but sometimes our interactions with animals go terribly wrong. Accidents happen. These accidents can be shocking, even life-altering. It's important to understand these accidents and how to prevent them. Animals are unpredictable. Even domesticated animals can behave unexpectedly. Wild animals are often driven by instinct and fear. These factors contribute to accidents. Tragedy struck the animal rescue community last November. A pilot, Seuk Kim, was transporting rescued dogs to new homes. His plane crashed in the Catskill Mountains. Kim and one dog were killed. 2 dogs survived. Kim was a hero, saving hundreds of animals during his life. This accident highlights the risks rescuers face. In another tragic incident, an 84-year-old man died on his Idaho farm. He was pinned by a bull in a cow pen. Farm animals can be dangerous, even deadly. This accident is a stark reminder of the risks associated with farm life. Animal accidents are more common than you might think. In 2022, over 170 people in the US died in car accidents involving animals. Thousands more were injured. Oneida County in New York State has a high rate of deer-car collisions. In 2023, the county reported over 1,300 crashes. These accidents have lasting consequences. The emotional toll of animal accidents can be devastating. Guilt, fear, and trauma are common reactions. The physical injuries can be severe, requiring extensive medical care. These accidents impact not only the individuals involved, but also their families and communities. We need to be aware and take precautions. Experts like AAA offer advice on avoiding animal accidents. Be extra cautious at dawn and dusk when animals are most active. Scan the roadsides for animals, obey speed limits, use high beams when safe. If a collision is unavoidable, brake firmly, stay in your lane. Remember, sharing our world with animals means respecting their space and understanding the risks involved. By taking precautions and staying informed, we can minimize the risk of these heartbreaking accidents.